Hello guys, welcome to day 190 from 400 Days of Learning Programming Challenge. As you might remember from the last video, I am starting to create a Discord user interface. So I'm going to continue doing that. But before I start coding, let me show you a very useful comment from you guys, which I learned from this comment too much. So let's see it together. This is the comment. And the moment you do, let me start the place. Okay, here. Also, you should not screenshot a icon if you want to use it. That's not the right way to do that, and it's also not the best practice. You should use icon libraries such as hero icons, etc. You can search whichever icon you want to in those websites, and then you can copy either the SVG or the JSX code and then paste inside the div tag or whatever you want to use the icon. Just paste the particular code there. And this is very cool. Here there is another comment that is saying the same things. Thank you guys for giving me this very useful advices. This is too much. This is very useful for me. But one thing that I have to mention is I am trying to exactly copy the interface. Okay, so I just want to see if I can create it doing exactly the same icons. I'm not sure if I use a website for using the library of icons, and if I can find something very similar. Okay, so let me just see hero icons website. So here is hero icons that our friend told us. Let me check if they have Discord. They don't have actually. So if they don't have this icon, how can I find it in hero icons or similar website? Let me check the Google and Discord icon SVG. So they have it. It's really a good way to do this. Thank you for your suggestion. From now on, I'm trying to use these websites. Let's get back to our work. We are here. Okay, I already created these icons, so I'm not going to change it again. But here I have working on. We can download a new icon for this, but this is okay for now because we already set the image. But let's check this. Here I have a bigger width. Right? So this is smaller. I already resized it yesterday, but I don't know why it just it get bigger. So it's about 237 pixel, but we created 272, 35, 37. It's a little bit bigger. Let's fix this for now. I already just resized it yesterday. Why it changed the size? What is the, let me check what is the div tag name here we have. So, oh, okay, I understand why. Because yesterday we opened the inspect, and if you check, now it is the size of this, but we have to do this without inspect. So let me check first of all. We have it's called text channel div tag, text channel columns. Okay, let's change it. Text channel. Okay, this is the text channel column. It's under the down row. So here we have a grid column, right? For the second row, this is the second row, this is the first row, I think. But if I change it, it will change the height, I think. It will change the height. So if I say, for example, this should be 2, it will change the height, right? It will change the height. So this is not what we want. Maybe it's true to say grid template columns. This is not right. If I do this, it will create a columns here. We don't want to create columns. Oh, okay. Again, I remember from the yesterday codes, we have to target this whole area. So this was, what was the name of the whole tag here? This should be the first row, the second row, down row. So I think I have to change the down row. The down row. Down row. This is down arrow. I have to look for down row. Here it is, down row. I was looking for these three fractions. Okay, so let's close the inspect so we don't do the same mistake as yesterday. Let's make this smaller, like the first one should be 20. It's getting too small, I think. What was the size of this? It was 238 or 7, and now $237 here. So we have to make it bigger, like 25, 24, 24. 25 would be better. 25. Okay. So it looks the same size right now. It's 244. That's good enough. Now we have to change the size of this one as well. So we have to go to the top column here. Let me use inspect. This is the color. This is the Jeez. Close it. Okay. This is called top row. The top row. Here is top row. I like when my codes are sorted very well, because I will find them very easily. Like here is top row in the CSS style, and here is down row in the CSS style. I can just find it very easy. So top row, the first one should be like 20 fraction, a little bit more, less, like 95. 95. Okay, it's cool. Okay, and let me close this one. Here, as you can see, we have, I don't know if you can see it, but we have a very thin different size. So let me put it to 190 to see if it makes any difference. Make it bigger, like 299, 199. It's too much bigger. Let's make it 8, 7. It's good. It's fit together good. So now we have the good size, and the icons getting here as well. We have the name, but what is this blue line here we have? So this is the problem that we talked yesterday. Let's check that out. Where it gone? Let me first see where we have the blue. So in the search bar column, we have a blue div tag. Where else do we have a blue? Okay, we don't have blue anymore. So the search bar have a blue color. So this color belongs to search bar, which is this whole area. What is this? What is this little icon? Let's not worry for that for now. HR. So this is the HR, the line that we have created, which would be here, but it is not there. So where is HR tag? Let me search HR. Here we have HRs. This one is what we're looking for. If I remove it, okay, so this HR tag has been made us a problem. So when I created the HR tag after this tag, this div tag, it will make the height more bigger. That is the problem. Okay, so instead of doing that, we can put it under the challenge or inside the challenge div tag. Like, we can put it here and see if it makes any difference. Why we cannot see this HR tag? What's wrong with it? Maybe we have it here, we have some problems. Okay, now we can see it. The width and height of that made us some problem. Let me turn off the ruler. And here we have a thin line. Instead of using HR tag, I think there is a way, like we can say we want a borderline thickness, of course, in the down of the div tag. So I'm going to remove this and I'm going to remove it from here as well. Pressing Ctrl S, now we have no width. Now there should be something about borderline. This was the challenge for 100 days div tag. So this is the div tag. Challenge here we have it. So can I say, like, border bottom. Border bottom should be 1 pixel, 2 pixel. And let's make it very obvious, like 20, in order to see if it makes any difference. So if we create a border, maybe it's time to give it a color. Border color. It should be, for now we choose black to see it. But nothing happens. Maybe I have to open my page again. Still nothing. So let's search in the, let's ask ChatGPT. Talk AI. I can say, how can I add a border down of a div tag? You can add a border to the bottom of a div tag by using the CSS border bottom property, which we already used. Here is an example of how you can do this. So we have to give it a size, a solid line, a very solid line, and a color. Okay, let's just copy this, paste it here. Let's see the difference. Okay, now I can see a black border under this div tag, but we don't want it to be black. We want it to be this color, which is hard to pick. Come on. We can say gray instead of black. Gray. This will do the work. I can see a gray border here. Maybe you cannot see it, but I can see it here. Okay, so we have done this part. Of course, this border is right to the end of this div tag here. So let's do this for the second one, which is, what is it called? It's called search bar column. So let's do this for search bar column as well. Hashtag search bar column. Let's copy this, paste it here, Control S. Now we have a gray border under the blue tag, blue div tag, and this one as well. So let's close this. Now, how much time I have? I spent about 30 minutes. That's good for today. It was a very small progress, but one step at a time, right? This is only practicing the codes. I don't want just to copy and paste codes from ChatGPT. I am trying to solve the problems by myself. I'm trying to find the problem, but sometimes if I don't find the problem and the solutions, I'm going to use ChatGPT for help. This is good. And tonight I'm going to learn Python for my university. It's about machine vision. I'm trying to learn how to draw lines like rectangles, lines, circles in image. So I'm going to learn Python tonight, and this was a practice for CSS, JavaScript, and HTML. Also, if I had a free time, because right now it's night, if I have a free time, I will try to watch a new lesson today as well. So thank you guys for watching. If you still didn't join my Discord channel, please join it. We can help each other in learning programming, and we can solve problems together. Thank you guys. See you tomorrow.